Hey guys, I want to show you guys how to install the HPA Haldex controller in a Golf R32. So first thing we're going to do, show you what this bad boy looks like, if I could ever open it up the correct way. Alright, so here's everything. Here's the screen, the window mount, charger, there's our cable, which we're gonna mess with first, and then this bad guy. So for mine, I gotta remove all this shit. So the main thing, you can see where this is going in. You pull that plug, which you can see is laying there, and then we're going to be sticking the harness through that plug to get to the Haldex controller. Alright, and this guy, you're going to leave in here where it's away from the elements. So it does have mounting points for you to mount it in here. I'm probably just going to have it loose, or actually no, I'll probably use like a command strip just so it's held on there. So this is the brains of the whole thing. Alright, so normally you'll be able to take this shit out, so it's making this a lot more difficult for me. Come down here, you're going to pull that rubber grommet out, and you're going to be able to see right there. Sorry guys. So you can go down in this hole, and so that's going to be right on top of the exhaust heat shield. So you'll want to go from the bottom. You either go from the bottom or go from the top and try to get each one of these in there and fit it and then pull it down. So we'll try it this way first, since the heat shield's kind of a pain in the ass to get around. I'm just going to try to feed them down as much as we can do. Kind of shows what we're looking at, where there's like nothing. So shit comes out right there. Alright, so now that we got these out, got them out. Alright, so now we're underneath here. Got our cables dangling right here, and we're going to disconnect these bad boys and then plug them into this bad boy. Alright, so here we go. We got the harness plugged into this guy. We have them right here too. And then we need some zip ties. We'll probably be okay up here. There we go. So now we got the little black box. We're gonna put it down here. Leave it right here for now. Alright, so now what you do is you'll plug her in, undo this guy, unwrap it. It has a power button up top. Hold it to turn her on. Let her load up. Oh, this is going to focus on it.
say that. You just hit OK. Alright, so right here you're going to be able to see your battery. Sorry. And then right there it'll say if it's the controller's active or not connected. So when you first plug it in, it's going to say not connected. You got to give it a minute, and then it will go ahead and load up. And then so now that we're active, we have control over all of these. So it's in economy mode. We'll go to stock, sport, competition, or race and speed, or dynamic, or you just turn it off and be completely front wheel drive. But yeah, those are all the settings there. I mean, you can go in the actual settings and change it to miles an hour and stuff. You have all these over here. Let you control your oversteer and whatnot, which is pretty cool. There's all this quarter-mile stuff. Then it has a night mode, which is easier for you to read. Yeah, but that's how you install it. Then you have the in the box you have the window mount and stuff, and this thing has an internal battery in it, so you don't have to have it plugged in all the time, which is nice. So you just turn it on when you're, when you want to, or leave it on and just keep it plugged in. But yeah, that's how you install. Alright, so here we are, we have it installed. I have it in the off mode since I'm driving around town. So yeah, mounted up super easy. Battery was pretty much halfway charged when I got it. I only had to let it charge for like 15 minutes, so it's all up and going. And what they were saying is, if you were to, so say I have this in the off position as it is right now, you can turn the controller off and it will remain in the off position. Same if you were to change it to race and speed or competition or sport and turn the controller off, it saves that mode as long as it says it right there in the middle of the screen. So pretty cool. I mean, it only took about 30 minutes to install, so definitely well worth the buy now that you have full control